Hello, I'm going to do a little walk around video on this 2011 Toyota Sienna. It's got some scratches, dings, and dents on the front bumper here. Overall, it looks great, and that's also red exterior. The tires on it. Skirting has some scratches. Bumper's a little misaligned. Scratches here and some scratching there. And this skirt has some chips on the edge of it there. Here, it looks like they put some touch on it. Okay, so the way this works is the vehicle needs to be unlocked with the Toyota button. Then you have the freedom button here. You can press and hold the number 1, and that's going to initiate the door sequence. While you're still pressing and holding, that ramp is going to come out, and then the vehicle actually kneels down as well. So you have to press and hold the entire time, and it's non-integrated, meaning there's a separate fob for the ramp system over just the usual Toyota Sienna key fob. And you have a removable front seat and then a power transfer seat, which works really nice. So with the vehicle off, you can switch this to go back. You also control it up and down here. And it moves back on that track system there. And then you can have the chair swing around to get to where you need it. Then you can transfer out of your wheelchair and into the chair here. And then you can move yourself back. We hit left, and we hit forward. And that little pedestal there is for your feet to rest on, so you can get up into position. This one does have the push, pull, and control system with a steering knob. And you've got the Toyota Sienna CD player, AM, FM radio, and then 3-zone air conditioning, heat. Got cup holders here. And then again, you have to use the fob here for number 2. Going to come up first. Vehicle is going to stop kneeling. And that door is going to shut. Once the door starts shutting, you can actually release the fob and it'll take over from there. Then around back here, you've got the trunk. This is a manual trunk here, not power. You've got your straps and a seatbelt buckle there for sitting up front. Got that front seat there. This one does have a backup camera. Got a power door here. So you can either pull on the handle or you can hit the key fob. And you have a ramp that sits inside there. Also control the ramp system right here as well. So you close it or open it and press and hold until it does what you want. Power driver's seat as well. So you have the 6-way power transfer seat plus the original Toyota controls. You'll be able to keep that seat exactly where you need it. Thank you for watching.